In this video, I will quickly show you how to use Clickup as a virtual assistant to manage your clients' tasks efficiently. First, access Clickup through the website or mobile app and sign in to your account. Then create a separate workspace for each client to keep everything well organized. Inside the workspace, create task lists for each type of activity, such as emails, scheduling, research, or support. Now click New Task to add a new task requested by the client. You can include the task title, detailed description, and attach important files. Set deadlines for each task and organize them by priority to make sure nothing is missed. Another useful feature is adding comments inside tasks to update the client on the progress. You can also use subtasks to break large projects into smaller steps. Clickup allows you to view tasks in list, board, or calendar format, making it easier to plan your day. Keeping everything updated helps clients track progress without needing constant messages. And that's it. Now you know how to use Clickup as a virtual assistant efficiently. Save this video so you can check it later if needed.